Hi, I'm Eden. I'm a second year apprentice at AE Aerospace studying at Make UK. I'm also actively in a role as Student Ambassador. During my time as Student Ambassador, I was given the opportunity to attend a Make UK dinner where I met 4 guys who offered me a tour around their factory. It all started at about 7:15 in the morning when I was picked up by Simon. Our first stop was SDE Technology. At SDE we met Chris, who's the managing director. He showed us around the factory and it was incredible some of the stuff they did. Not only did they do press work, but also they did sand casting and they had their own haulage company. Can you believe it's 3 in 1? The guy must be very busy, I've got to say. Next was Novermber, where we met Paul. Paul showed us around their incredible facility, where they're leaders in robotics and automation. It was great to see how some of the robots and stuff were formed and how they were made, and just to see the different side of manufacturing. Again, I'd never seen a robotics and automation factory before. It was great to meet the guys, they were lovely people. It was also great to see that actually we could potentially apply some of this to where I work at AE. And the fact that what they did could apply to many places. First stop was my workwear, where we met James. It was interesting to see the clothing factory, as I'd never, it's another branch of manufacturing that you don't really think about, such as engineering and whatever else. You think, when you think of clothing manufacturers, you might think of, I don't know, people sat at tables stitching onto labels, but no, it was incredible the intricate machinery that they had. It was quite eye-opening and surprising. And not only that, but they've also made these hoodies which you can buy for charity if you want to. Final stop was HCM Engineering, a tool manufacturer. It was interesting to see what they did there, as it's rather similar to what we do at our place with the CNC machines. It was also great to see that they had a sister company in India. It was interesting to see how different companies from different parts of the world come together to create the same things. I'd like to thank Simon, John, Chris and James for showcasing to me their amazing sector of the Midlands manufacturing industry. Yeah, I'm loving it at the minute. It's been great to actually get back to the company as a second year and to be able to experience what we actually do. Machining, milling, turning, 5-axis. There are 3 second year craft apprentices at AE Aerospace. It's great because you can further build working relationships that you've faced at college and you can bring to the working environment. I think anyone looking for an apprenticeship in 2022 should definitely consider AE Aerospace, as they're a modern and innovative machining company. I'd like to thank Peter at AE for supporting me in going on this trip, as it's helped me to increase my knowledge of the manufacturing sector. Also, potentially to help the company and to see where this company could help out in benefiting ours and growing our future as the company. I'd also like to thank Make UK, as allowing me to go into the Ambassador programme has opened up this opportunity.